Hi, I'm Andy Turtle, Technical Product Manager here at WAGO. WAGO offers a comprehensive power management solution, ensuring efficiency, reliability, and continuity in industrial and building applications. Combining Pro 2, Eco 2, and base power supplies with three-phase power modules, MID meters, and redundancy modules, this solution provides high-efficiency power delivery, smart monitoring, and seamless energy management. At WAGO, efficient power systems are more than just components. They're about delivering dependable power, improving system resilience, and increasing overall energy efficiency in your applications. Let's start with our power supplies. WAGO offers a wide range of high-efficiency power supply units, from compact DIN rail modules to more powerful solutions designed for demanding applications. WAGO's base power supply represents the perfect solution for OEMs and panel builders looking for an extremely cost-effective, space-saving product. Key benefits include a durable metal construction, class-leading compact design with the 5 amp just 35 millimeters wide, and a wide operational temperature range. With class-leading efficiency of up to 94%, the WAGO base makes a compelling solution for your DC power supply requirements. WAGO Eco 2 DIN rail power supplies are the perfect choice for panel builders looking to save time on installation whilst benefiting from enhanced diagnostics and a durable metal construction. Remote diagnostics via a DC OK contact and the familiar WAGO lever connections, it represents a very reliable, competitive solution for DC power applications. WAGO's Pro 2 has the widest choice on the market of interchangeable communication modules to enable real-time smart control and monitoring capabilities to be accessed easily, irrespective of the field bus standard. Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, IO Link, or Ethernet IP with MQTT. For applications where maximum uptime and continuity of DC supply is paramount, specify WAGO's Pro 2, the smart power supply for the ultimate in DC power supply performance. Redundancy is essential in critical applications. Our redundancy modules ensure uninterrupted operation by seamlessly switching between two power sources in case one fails. This added layer of resilience protects your systems and minimizes downtime, a key part of any efficient power system. With compact DIN rail mounting and high efficiency performance, they integrate easily into automation and control systems, ensuring continuous power availability. WAGO's MID certified energy meters ensure accurate energy measurement for billing and cost allocation. Featuring Modbus RTU, M-Bus, and pulse outputs, they enable seamless integration into an energy management system. With push-in cage clamp and lever technology, they offer fast, tool-free installation. A high-contrast backlit display provides comprehensive energy metrics at a glance, with a unique Bluetooth app for real-time visualization of metrics and downloading of meter readings. For industrial applications, WAGO's three-phase power measurement modules provide precise, real-time monitoring of currents and voltages in three-phase supply networks. These modules enable efficient energy management and cost optimization in industrial building and sub-metering applications. And we're not stopping there. We've got some exciting new additions coming soon to our efficient power systems range, including upgraded power supplies with even better features. These new products will help make your systems even smarter and more sustainable, keeping you ahead of the curve. Developments include Base and Eco 2 power supply range extension, Pro 2 power supply with integrated redundancy, which can reduce cabinet space required by 20%. For metering, a new single-phase option to complement the three-phase, and new communication capabilities including Wi-Fi and enhanced Bluetooth. And just announced and available now, a new plug-in Pro 2 display, ideal for end-user applications to enable fast visual diagnostic of DC supply for fast troubleshooting. Whether you're building a new system or an upgrading of an existing one, WAGO's efficient power systems provide the flexibility, reliability and innovation you need. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to find out more, visit wago.com today.